Morning, friends. I think it's really wonderful that MCA is looks like MCA is starting the proceedings with the Kangali, and it would be a great, start for the season to start discussing about actual game. We have two very eminent guys with us, Rohan and Umesh, who would be, discussing various aspects of tricky situations in Kangali. My one sincere request, just remember one thing. This is this entire our platform or our entire discussion is about discussing various issues with different scenarios. So I want everybody to participate. There are a lot of times the opinions given by the speakers, you may agree or you may not agree, but let's keep discussing, because that's the entire purpose of this platform. This purpose of this platform is not to give you any rulings or not to give you any final instructions. The purpose of this platform to make you think, to make you aware that what different scenarios, and we all learn from each other. So please keep it in mind that nobody in this platform is giving any rulings or final interpretations. It's more about discussing and coming out with a perfect modality for each one of us to take our umpiring to higher levels. I'm been informed that MCA would definitely be conducting a special, video session like this before the start of actual Kanga League, and they would be discussing playing conditions and everything in detail. So whatever your queries or what you feel needs to be interpreted, keep all this thing in your mind, and during those sessions ask the relevant questions, and whatever interpretations and ruling given during those sessions, that will be applicable for Kangali. This session is mainly for us to discuss among ourselves what are the tricky issues which we all face, and how as a group we can come to a common platform, that how to handle those tricky situations by helping each other, by knowing or learning from each other's experience. With that, I think we'll start the proceeding. I'll hand it over to Rohan and Umesh, who can start their presentation.
Thank you, Anil.
Thank you, Anil.
Uh, Subodh, I will present my screen, and please do let me know when it is visible to everyone. Host has
Please proceed.
disabled participant. Okay. So, okay. Tell me when my screen is visible.
Yes, very much.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir,
yes,
very much
Umesh, it's
visible.
visible. Yeah.
Okay. From current slide. Okay. So, good morning, friends. As Anil has very rightly mentioned, this is a session more to talk more about the magic of Kanga League, talk about those tricky situations, and try as a group to learn from incidents and actual instances, and see whether we can learn from them to move forward. So there are few instances, there are few events which cannot be totally described by words. Kanga League is one of them. Yeah. So if you can shut your eyes for a moment and imagine that this is a day one of Kanga League. You're already experiencing the greens of Mumbai Maidan, excitement of meeting your friends, excitement of starting a new season, having the discussion over a cup of tea from Cow Gully, and all of this is just in a day of Kanga. So very rightly, so it is very difficult to explain the entire context of magic of Kanga League. And somebody has very rightly mentioned, former journalist from Indian Express, H. Natarajan, that it is impossible to talk about Kanga League and not be romantic about it. I think each one of us will have some stories, some incidents, some good thing to share about Kanga League. What makes this league so special? Why it is so important? Why it is so traditionally, very strong base about it. So let's talk about what makes it Kanga League so special. Kanga League is one of the oldest tournament in Mumbai, played since 1948, initiated by Vijay Merchant, and the entire season is scheduled during rainy season with unpredictable pitch and ground condition. What is unique about this league is that it could be one of the only tournament in the entire India which is played using multi-day playing condition adapted for matches of 1 day duration. So it's a 1 day game, but none of the limited playing condition apply on for this league. So what are we planning to do today? As very rightly mentioned by Anil, we are going to talk about few naughty points, mostly pertaining to ground and pitch, yeah, and ball for session today. We will also, we have received few interesting incidents from our colleagues. We will also talk about them. And towards the end of the session, it will be open for question and answer. Rohan, you want to add anything before we move forward?
Yes, Umesh. Well, as Umesh has said that yes, the Kanga League, you cannot be, if you speak about it, you have to be romantic about it. The league itself is named after Dr. Hormuzji Dorabji Kanga, who had played 5 test matches for India, and he was a former. He worked as a president of Bombay Cricket Association and also was a vice president of BCCI. Again, yes, it started in the year 1948 by Vijay Merchant, and the whole idea of starting Kanga League was to adapt our players or our batsmen for English conditions. So to play that, to play such a tournament in the monsoon, म्हणजे पावसामध्ये खेळताना वी ऑल नो, आपल्याला सगळ्याला माहिती आहे की पावसामध्ये काय काय अवस्था होते पिचची, कसं असतं. सो दॅट त्यांना त्यावेळेला अशी आयडिया होती की टू प्ले दिस टुर्नामेंट ऑन अ transition pitch where the pitch is started to dry from a wet to dry. So that time it was very difficult for any batsman to play on such pitches where it is just starting to dry, not completely dry, from wet to dry. So that was the whole idea of starting this league, and this is a league ज्याच्याकडनं आपल्या मुंबईच्या प्लेयर्स और फॉर बॅट्समनना खडूस हा शब्द या लीग मधनच आलाय. सो आपण जे म्हणतो मुंबईचे आपण प्लेयर खडूस आहेत, इज ऍक्च्युअली कम फ्रॉम दिस टूर्नामेंट.
थैंक्स रोहन.
यस उमेश.
ओके, सो एक और चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये पूरा कॉन्वर्सेशन जो होगा वो इट विल बी मिक्स ऑफ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी एंड मराठी, और आपके जो क्वेश्चन भी है वो आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज में पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो we'll start with the actual content. So first one is ground and pitches. So I'll be showing some कुछ पिक्चर में दिखाऊंगा, और आप लोगों से कुछ वॉलंटियर्स चाहूंगा जो ना वो पिच को देख के, पिक्चर देख के हमें ये बता सके कि उनको क्या लगता है, ये पिच ड्राई है, हार्ड है, मॉइस्ट है कि वेट है, देख के क्या लगता है? ठीक है, सो आई मैं एक एक पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा एंड आई वुड लाइक टू हैव सम वॉलंटियर लाइक नो टू कि इसको डिस्क्राइब करें, ये पिच देख के कैसा लगता है। ये शिवाजी पार्क में का एक पिच है अपने मुंबई का ही, एंड क्या लगता है देख के आपको? एनीबडी फ्रॉम attendees who wants to answer? या निरंजन?
या हेलो सर, पिच देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि गुड फॉर बैटिंग, ड्राई पिच है लेकिन स्पिनर्स विल कम इनटू प्ले।
Excellent. Anybody else? Yeah, Mayuresh?
So the pitch looks good enough. As far the Kanga League is concerned, the pitch looks good enough to start play in the morning itself, whatever time is there. And looking at the picture, it doesn't seem any issues as far as starting of the game as said is concerned. So
Excellent.
it's good,
Excellent.
dry enough to play a Kanga League match on this.
Excellent.
very good.
Excellent. Yeah, Bakul, you want to add anything?
Jain sir,
Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
I think this pitch is wet but not damp, so we can start our Kanga League match.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग सेकंड पिक्चर देखते हैं और उसके बारे में भी आई वांट सम पीपल टू टॉक अबाउट इट। अभी ये पिच देखिए, अगेन I want a point of view from our umpires and observers who are on the call. क्या लगता है ये पिच देख के? Yes, Mayuresh, go again.
So the pitch has again this kind of a pitch is also not a wet pitch to stop a Kanga League match from starting. So if a Kanga League match is concerned, I can start this match, the match on this pitch also.
Okay.
It's
और ये
a-
दोनों
not
पिच
a-
के बीच
not
में
a
कुछ
wet-
फर्क लिख, दोनों पिच
Sir,
के बीच में कुछ फर्क है?
It's a bit damp or not wet. No, it's not wet, but bit damp. But regular Kanga League match can be started. It's a bit wet or damp as compared to the first one.
Okay.
And
Anybody
it's
else
also,
wants?
muddy wicket, sort of a muddy wicket it is.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, Nikhil.
सर द सेकंड पिच इज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, ऐसा लग रहा है कि सिर्फ लाइन मार्क्स करके वो दे दे।
Okay. And condition में hard है, dry है compared to first picture?
थोड़ा सा मैंने ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो प्रिपेयर्ड ही नहीं किया है, तो जो भी हुआ है उस पे मे बी
Okay.
एक दो रोल करके दे दिया हो।
Okay, ठीक है, thanks. हर्षद,
यस सर। सर
क्या लगता
सेकंड पिच ऐसा लग रहा है कि पयाडे और मुस्लिम का मैच है और पयाडे को 6 पॉइंट चाहिए और दे दिया है पिच, खेलो, नो रोलिंग नथिंग।
and dryness versus जो पहला पिक्चर उसके साथ में ड्राइनेस एंड फर्मनेस, अगर हम लोग रोलिंग का प्रिपरेशन का पार्ट निकाल दें, हार्डनेस वगैरह के हिसाब से कैसा लग रहा है?
सर ऐसा धूप तो निकला हुआ लग रहा है दोनों पिचेस पे, तो हार्ड तो है बट अनप्रिपेयर्ड है पूरा सेकंड वन, और फर्स्ट वन थोड़ा बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड है।
Okay. Nihar, you want to add anything?
Yes, sir. So in addition to the other points discussed, to me, the pitch looks soft and rough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bakul, you want to add before we go to the next picture?
Yes sir, I want to add that length of the grass kept on the
हाँ.
pitch uneven, pitch not rolled properly or not,
Uh-huh.
it is not firm, it is a spongy pitch.
Okay. So guys, अभी एक हम लोग ये क्या करते हैं, जो फीडबैक है ना, वो आप मुझे अभी सिर्फ इस बारे में दो कि फर्स्ट पिक्चर के हिसाब से सेकंड पिक्चर वाली जो पिच है वो कितनी फर्म लगती है आपको देखे। सो प्रिपेयर है, अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड है, दैट पार्ट इज टोटली यू, बट राइट नाउ इफ यू फोकस मोर ऑन कि फर्स्ट के हिसाब से वो कितना फर्म लगता है, सॉफ्ट है, हार्ड है, वो मतलब पिक्चर देख के क्या लगता है उसके ऊपर करते हैं। एनीबडी एल्स वांट टू ऐड बिफोर वी गो टू नेक्स्ट पिक्चर?
I
एनीवन?
think Nikhil, yes, Nikhil.
या निखिल, हेलो?
No, he had his hand
Okay,
raised.
okay,
So,
okay, okay.
Never mind.
So we'll go to next picture. Okay. Now ये अपने क्रॉस मैदान का पिच है और ये पिच को देख के क्या लगता है आप लोग को? सो हु वांट्स टू कम फर्स्ट? आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग द पिच अगेन. क्या करना, पिक्चर नंबर 1, पिक्चर नंबर 2 और पिक्चर नंबर 3, एक उनका कंपैरिजन करना आपके हिसाब से कि क्या क्या देख रहे हो आप, मतलब ये जो तीनों पिक्चर के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है, क्या मेन डिफरेंस आपको दिख रहा है? सो हर्षद, ओवर टू यू.
The third one is definitely wet
ओके
and very soft. It looks like.
ओके. सो अगर आप इस पे अंपायरिंग कर रहे हो तो आपका क्या करोगे आप अभी ये पिच देखकर?
Sir,
Nothing is
Kanga
right
League
wrong.
match.
Harshad,
Yeah,
nothing
I
is
think
right
I
wrong.
think
Just your point of view.
I think Kanga League match start हो सकता है sir.
Okay. Nihar, you want to add something here?
Yes, sir. So in terms of the degree of difference, from the first to the third one, the level of wetness or dampness is increasing. The first one is dry. The second one was a wet pitch but hasn't completely dried out, and the third one is a completely wet and a damp pitch.
Excellent. Thank you. And ऐसे पिच पे आप स्टार्ट करना चाहोगे क्या मैच
Not on
की?
pitch not on pitch number 3. Definitely not.
Okay, so between Harshad and Nihar, we have a point of difference. Aditya, you want to add anything? Aditya? Aditya, you're on mute.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah. Go
Okay.
ahead.
First two pitches looks good for a Kanga League match, but
Okay.
third we can't start a match because there is lot of dampness or a muddy wicket we can say. In second wicket there are small grass patches which may hold the pitch for a while, so we can start a match. But on third one we can't, according to me.
Excellent. ठीक है. Yeah, Mayuresh, you want to add before we move on to next picture?
So at the third wicket, which is there, it's a damp wicket, which is when it dries a bit, it will come to the second wicket's condition, and then again when it dries more, it will come to the first wicket condition. As far as starting the match is concerned, looking at the wicket, just looking at the wicket of the picture, I don't see any, that much dampness in the wicket to not start a Kanga League match. But still, when I'll be at the ground, I'll touch the wicket and see how much water is there, that much water enough to stop or start the game. As far as looking at just the picture is concerned, I feel it's good enough to start.
Okay. Thank you so much. So now I'll go to next picture. Okay. Now, what do you think of looking at this pitch? Again, I want you to summarize your point of view with respect to pitch number 3. So who wants to go first? Akshay? Akshay, काय वाटतं?
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, looking at all the 4 pictures, I think first one is dry and hard. Second one is dry, but it's underprepared. Third one is good for Kanga League game. It is damp, but play can start. And fourth one, definitely you cannot start the play because you can see the water is on the wicket, the pitch. It's everything that the water is there. So I don't think you can start the game.
Okay. Mihir, you want to add something?
Yes, certainly, sir. The fourth wicket, if we see, it is completely wet. It has got quite a bit of amount of water on the wicket. So it certainly not permits the game to begin. But on third, we can definitely start off the game by after waiting for some time, like, to allow the pitch to dry a little bit.
Okay. I also see Guru Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Guru.
So first pitch is prepared. First pitch is prepared to play. Okay, we can start immediately. On second pitch, rolling is required.
Okay.
Okay, on third pitch, we can't do rolling immediately. On fourth pitch, first we have to wait for pitch to dry. After that, we can carry out rolling if it is dry.
Okay. Bakul, you want to add something before we can move ahead?
Yes, sir. On third pitch, I would definitely like to stand on the pitch for a minute to see whether my footprints are coming on or not. And then I remember few seasons back, we were taught on the ground by our great Ganesh Iyer sir how to start, how to decide about starting a Kanga League match. On that time, it was decided that you have to stand on the pitch when you are not very sure, and then you see whether your footprints are coming or not. So third pitch, I will do that. Fourth pitch, definitely I will not do that, because water, you can see water. So that is my opinion.
Okay, Ravindra, the last one before we move to next slide.
Hello.
Yeah, Ravindra.
Yeah. So by looking at first two pictures, I can surely start the game immediately. And by looking at the third picture, I can wait another 15 minutes to dry this particular pitch. And after 15 minutes, we can redo the inspection. And the fourth one, I can say that as per as per our law or as per our playing condition is concerned, we can wait or we can do that inspection 15 minutes or half an hour. But it's look like more than half an hour is required to dry this type of pitch. So we can accordingly take a call. Yeah.
Thanks. So guys, what has come out of this discussion? Even so, picture number one, picture number two, absolutely everybody's on same page. But moment we come to slightly tricky pictures 3 and 4, there is a difference of opinion even between our umpires, and this is very likely so because everybody will have a different point of view. Yeah, and the entire conversation is how do we ensure that we have a common interpretation between umpires and observers with respect to fitness of ground, pitches to start, stop, continue the match. Yeah, so we'll focus some time on it. Rohan, you want to add something here?
Yes, Umesh. There was a very interesting point, I think, taken by Nikhil and Akshay regarding the pitch not being prepared. Well, and we are going to discuss more on this in our further slides. That what is preparation for Kanga League match, and that is very interesting, Nikhil and Akshay. And I would like you all to chip in when we have that discussion. Yes, definitely there is a difference in pitches, and आपण जेव्हा हे बघतो तेव्हा पहिलं आपल्या डोक्यात येतं की काय आपण मॅच सुरू करू शकतो की नाही. ओके, पहिले दोन पिक्चर आता ऍट दिस पॉइंट वी आर जस्ट लुकिंग ऍट द पिक्चर्स. पण जेव्हा आपण ग्राउंडवर जातो, व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली वी डू इज आपण थोडंसं पिच दाबून बघतो हाताने की काय बाबा काय परिस्थिती आहे त्याची. अँड देन वी कम टू अ कन्क्लुजन की हा आता आपण चालू करू शकतो की बाबा किती वेळ थांबायचं आहे. आता परत व्हॉट वी हॅव टू कीप इन माइंड की ही कांगा लीग आहे, राईट. कांगा लीग साठी पिच म्हणजे आपल्याला कम्प्लिटली ड्राय परफेक्ट मिळणार नाही. अँड वी हॅव टू स्टार्ट द मॅच इन अ लिटल बिट सॉफ्ट मॉइस्ट पिचेस. असं जरी मिळालं तरी आपल्याला मॅच सुरू करायची आहे. So this is a very good example which has been taken, and a very interesting point given by our colleagues. I think we can go forward for this.
Yeah, I mean, Rohan, continue so that you can.
Yes. So now when we come to the pitch condition may vary from, as we all know, pitch dry, hard, moist, soft, wet, as we have seen in the previous. The main point is do not आपण जेव्हा गेम करायचा आहे आपल्याला तेव्हा एक लक्षात ठेवणं महत्वाचं आहे की कम्प्लिटली किंवा परफेक्ट ड्राय पिच साठी जाऊ नका. ते आपल्याला मिळणारच नाही कांगा लीग मध्ये. व्हॉट कॅन वी चेक और हाऊ टू चेक इज, आता बकुळ जस्ट सेड येस इट वॉज शोन टू अस वेन वी पुट अवर हँड अँड इफ आपल्याला फक्त पाणी येतंय हातावर, ह्याचा अर्थ हे आहे की हा पिच स्लाइटली ओला आहे आणि ते सुकायची प्रोसेस चालू झालेली आहे. पण सपोज आपल्याला हात लावून त्याच्यावर माती आली, If we get mud, then it means that there is still water on the pitch and the process of drying is yet to start. Now, as कांगा लीगची टुर्नामेंट, जसं मी आधी बोललो की कांगा लीगची सुरुवातच अशी झालेली की त्या ट्रान्झिशन पिरियड मध्ये खेळणं हे महत्वाचं आहे. फ्रॉम द पॉइंट वेअर द पिच हॅज स्टार्टेड टू ड्राय टिल इट ड्राईज, आणि हे सगळं एका दिवसात होतं आपल्याकडे. सो त्याच्यामुळे आपण व्हॉट आर द कंडिशन्स वी लुक ॲट इज ओनली द पिच. सेकंडली ग्राउंड मध्ये आपण फक्त बघतो की व्हॉट इज, खेळ चालू करण्यासाठी आपण बाकीचा आउटफील्ड कधीच बघत नाही कांगा लीग साठी. व्हॉट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इज द बॉलर्स रनअप, द बॅट्समॅन, द अबिलिटी टू प्ले. Is an ideal, I would say ideal conditions of Kangali. ही मॅच चालू आहे, बट अँड जी एरिया आपल्याला ओव्हरलुक करायची आहे. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट वी हॅव टू गो, व्हॉट वी हॅव टू लुक इन टू.
You want me to any queries
Yeah.
from anyone? If there's any query from one of the umpire, we would like to take it before we go to next. Is the communication clear to everyone? Anyone would like to add something or has a point of view? Any umpire?
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
On the third picture, we are seeing like why are we not looking at the fielder? So when someone actually slips in, or the potential
a perfect ground. Again, as I initially said, I am repeating it again. The idea of starting the tournament was for the batsman to play on in such conditions. So obviously, if the pitch is wet, आपल्याला बाहेरचं आउटफील्ड आणि हे वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट अ व्हेरी परफेक्ट थिंग. Secondly, the whole idea was for the batsman to improve his technique, his temperament, and be conservative about it. And this was the idea presented at the time it carried out. We tend to overlook. They have to.
Yeah, to length of grass. Primary concern should be with respect to batsman and bowler. There will be some areas, some patches which are not ideal for game of cricket, but merely because they're not ideal, game cannot be delayed or stopped. Yeah.
Understand the game of cricket. Our job is to enforce the playing conditions as given to us. I'm sure the administrators would have taken care of the fielders' injury or positions or whatever it is when they made these rules for this tournament specifically. So the question is not to we look at why we should not see that. That's, I don't think is the aspect here at all. No. The aspect here is how do I start the game of cricket and what are the conditions to start the game of cricket, period. Nothing beyond that. Then there was a guy who, I don't know who said it again, I'm only listening, that that it's a Payade versus Muslim United.
Sorry, sir, it was me.
Who?
Harshad.
Harshad. Harshad, as an umpire, I don't believe we should worry who needs how many points. You as a cricketer,
Right.
you as a cricketer would know that upsets can take place anytime, any game. I've been part of this for a long, long period of time, and I've seen teams which have underprepared the pitches lose their games, which they could have won easily on a normal pitch. So as an umpire, when you go in there, जेव्हा तुम्ही अंपायरिंग करायला चाललाय ग्राउंडवर, कोण खेळतोय, कोणाची टेबलवर काय पॉइंट्स टेबल आहे, कोण काय करणार आहे, ते काय बघायचं गरजच नाही. फक्त एवढं बघायचं आहे की गेम चालू होऊ शकतो की नाही, एक सिंपल, आणि दुसरं निष्पक्षपणे मॅचचं पंचगिरी करायचं. यापुढे काही नाही, यापुढे आपल्याला काही नाही. ज्यापर्यंत आपण हा लेवलवर येत नाही ना, त्या लेवल आपण एक लेवल वर जाऊ शकतच नाही. थँक्यू.
Thanks, Ganesh. Thanks for adding the point. Okay. So there was some, yeah, Kali, you want to say something?
Yeah. Most of the umpires, when during Kangali, if an observer tells them to start the game, they have a concern about the player getting injured. Now, when you're getting a footing for a bowler and the batsman is okay to run, there should not be any problem for an umpire to start a game.
Yeah.
Last 2-3 years, I had some tough time convincing the umpire. So, requesting the umpires to adhere to or listen to what the umpires are telling you, the observers are telling you, and those who are very senior umpires, so senior observers, with their more experience of the pitches and the grounds at different areas, just to have faith in the observer and go with the match. Because Kangali, you are not going to get a very perfect pitch. Neither the outfit is going to be perfect. And the basic concern about Kangali is to start the match early as possible. And to get more experience and to learn from it. It was the basic concern of MCA or Mumbai Cricketers, not Bombay Cricketers.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kali. And we are going to cover this in more detail in subsequent slides. I think very important point made by you. Thank you so much. And we'll cover it.
Thank you.
Okay. The next comes preparation of pitch, artificial drying. Now, artificial drying of pitch as per earlier playing condition, and I'm sure when you playing condition comes, you'll be all communicated. But if for today's discussion we assume that
Umesh,
yeah,
just sorry to interrupt. There is a message coming of less than 1 minute, so you can continue and request for everybody that as per our usual practice, if we get disconnected, to relog in again and we start from the point where we left.
Okay, Anil. Thank you. Yeah. So artificial drying is permitted till 30 minutes before the scheduled start of the game. Yeah, and there are some queries which we have received. What all things do come in artificial drying? Roller would come, roller will not come. So just wanted to make sure that everybody is on one page. Apart from drying happening because of sun, this is permitted only before toss. So as of last playing condition, this was 30 minutes before the scheduled time for play to start. Now there has been a lot of query about preparation and artificial drying and what constitutes artificial drying. So one guiding principle that apart from sun, so the drying happening naturally because of sun, everything else will fall into artificial drying. So be very clear. It's only sun and drying which happens because of sun is natural. Rest everything else is artificial. That means roller is also included. So let's look at situation. So एक है कि when you go to the ground, आप ground पे गए, आपके पास एक pitch तैयार है. Normal दिन है, धूप वगैरह है, बरसात नहीं हो रही है, तो वो पिच आपके लिए ठीक ठाक है, आपने गेम चालू कर दिया. बारिश वाला टाइम है, आप पिच पे गए, एक पिच जो माली ने दिखाया या आके मैच का जो ग्राउंड का रिप्रेजेंटेशन उसने आके दिखा, जैसा ये मैच की पिच ये है, और एक साइड में पिच तैयार किया हुआ है, ऑल्टरनेट पिच. अगेन कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप असेस करो दोनों पिच को, देखो जहां से आपको गेम जल्दी चालू हो सकता है, यू कैन मेक दैट. थर्ड वाला सिचुएशन होता है कि जहां पे आपके पास में साइड का पिच प्रिपेयर ही नहीं है, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, उस कंडीशन में आप क्या करोगे? सो जब एक बार आप ग्राउंड पे पहुंच गए और वो पिच साइड वाला एक ऑल्टरनेट पिच तैयार नहीं है, मेक श्योर दैट यू जस्ट रिकॉर्ड दिस व्हेन यू मेक योर रिपोर्ट बैक टू एमसीए. बिकॉज एक बार आप ग्राउंड पे पहुंच गए, अगर प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुआ है तो आपके पास में टाइम नहीं है कि आप एक साइड में और एक पिच तैयार करो. सो जो पिच आपको दिया हुआ है उसका कंडीशन देखो, उसके हिसाब से उसका इंस्पेक्शन करो, और जब भी आपको लगता है फिट है, आप गेम चालू कर सकते हैं. पूरा का पूरा जो एक कम्युनिकेशन आया हुआ एमसीए के पास से जब भी आपको आएगा, एक मैच ऑब्जर्वर, जैसे भी कॉली ने बताया, मैच ऑब्जर्वर और अंपायर के बीच में एक तारतम्य होना बहुत जरूरी है. हाँ, तो ये वाले जो चीज में भी आप वहां पे जाके देखते हो कि भाई सिर्फ एक पिच तैयार है, दूसरा पिच तैयार नहीं है. डोंट स्टार्ट आर्ग्यूइंग विद मालिक कि क्यों नहीं बनाया, ये नहीं किया. आप स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड मैच ऑब्जर्वर के कान में ये बात डाल दो कि भाई वहां पे एक ही पिच है, दूसरे पिच का प्रोविजन नहीं किया हुआ है. ओके. सेकेंड थिंग विच कम्स वेरी ऑफन इज रेगुलर इंस्पेक्शन. अभी जैसे हमने पहले की पिक्चर में देखा कि पिच वेट है, आप गेम तो चालू नहीं कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप वहां पे जाते हो इंस्पेक्शन के लिए, मेक श्योर दैट आपका एवरी सिंगल इंस्पेक्शन गिव्स यू सम वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिटर्न. आप वहां पे जाते हो, देख के 2 मिनट के अंदर में टेंट में वापस आने की जरूरत नहीं है. इंस्पेक्शन किया था, उसके बाद से ये इंस्पेक्शन के बीच में पिच कंडीशन में कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है क्या, पहले जितना गीला था उससे थोड़ा कुछ कम गीला है क्या. दिस विल ऑल्सो बी सीन एज अ वेरी गुड एक्शन और from team's point of view, and they see that you are spending some time on the pitch, आप देख रहे हो, you're trying to assess the condition of the pitch, they will feel happy, they will feel confident in your abilities. At all the time with pitch, wet है, dry है, आपका क्या सोचना है दोनों अंपायर का. मेक श्योर दैट मैच ऑब्जर्वर और आप एक टीम हो, वो टीम को एमसीए ने वहां पे इसलिए नियुक्त किया है कि आप बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में गेम को जितना जल्दी से जल्दी हो सके शुरुआत कर सको, while making sure that all the requirement, all the playing condition of MCA is followed to the maximum possible. So ये टीम में आप जब यहाँ से पिच देख के जाते हो, एक सिचुएशन होगा कि जहां पे आपके मैच के लिए एक डेडिकेटेड ऑब्जर्वर है, अगर आपका मैच कोई जिमखाना वगैरह में हो रहा है, बट अगर ओपन ग्राउंड में है तो पॉसिबल है कि आपका जो ऑब्जर्वर है उसके पास में 2-3 ग्राउंड और हैं, एंड ही माइट बी बिजी विद द अंपायर्स ऑन अदर ग्राउंड. सो व्हेनेवर दैट हैपेंस, मेक श्योर दैट एट फर्स्ट अवेलेबल अपॉर्चुनिटी you tell him about your observation and what you feel, both the umpires, on the likely timely starting of the game given current condition. Entire ये पूरा प्रोसेस का ऑलवेज जो आपका गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल होना चाहिए वो ये होना चाहिए कि हम कैसे गेम को मैक्सिमाइज कर सके, प्लेइंग टाइम कैसे मैक्सिमाइज कर सके, क्या क्या आइडियाज कर सकते हैं. Rohan, you want to add anything before we go to next slide?
Yes, Umesh. Yes, rightly said. The guiding principle should always be to maximize playing time. आणि मेन म्हणजे खेळ झाला पाहिजे. हे सर्वात महत्वाचं आपल्याकडे म्हणजे एक साधन असलं पाहिजे तेव्हा वेन वी फर्स्ट इन्स्पेक्ट. आता वेन वी रीच द ग्राउंड आपल्याला लवकर पोहोचणं आणि प्री मॅच ड्युटीज आर व्हेरी व्हेरी क्रुशियल फॉर स्टार्टिंग द गेम. पिच तर असेच करायचंच असतं आपल्याला. दुसरं पिच तयार आहे की नाही ते बघायचं आहे. ऑल्टरनेट पिच आता ऍज पर प्लेइंग कंडिशन ऑल द क्लब्स ऑल द मैदान दे हॅव टू प्रिपेअर अन ऑल्टरनेट पिच ऑल्सो. मग आपल्याला असं सांगता नाही आलं पाहिजे, सांगितलं नाही गेलं पाहिजे की नाही ऑल्टरनेट पिच तयार केलेलं नाहीये. दे हॅव टू प्रिपेअर. नसेल तर तुम्ही आपल्या रिपोर्टमध्ये मेन्शन करा. ऑलवेज राईट. उमेशनी करेक्टली सांगितले तिथे आपल्याला काहीही वाद घालायचा नाहीये कोणाबरोबर. पण whatever conditions are given to us, we have to make full use of that, and to our benefit and to everybody's benefit. So that is the guiding principle should be there, that for the game to happen. Yes, Umesh.
Yeah, Rohan, you can go to the.
Yeah.
I mean, you can take the next session.
Yes.
Ball.
Coming to the ball. आता आपल्याकडे as we know हे आधीच्या प्लेइंग कंडिशन्स प्रमाणे हे 3 बॉल लास्ट प्लेइंग कंडिशन्स मध्ये हे 3 बॉल आपल्याला वर गिवन टू अस फॉर different divisions. So SG test, BAS test and BAS County Gold we were using, and obviously the ball should have an MCA symbol. That is, the new ball should have a MCA symbol. Please see, again it comes in our pre-match duties for availability of balls to check before the toss. आता समजा बॉल कोणाकडे एमसीए सिम्बलचा नसेल किंवा एमसीए कडनं आला नसेल तर काय करणार? ऍज अंपायर आपण काय करणार? ऑब्झर्व्हरला इन्व्हॉल्व्ह करा. दोन्ही टीम कॅप्टन्सना एकत्र येऊन त्यांना सांगा की बाबा हे असं असं आहे. सेकंडली यू हॅव टू चेक ऑल्सो द स्पेअर बॉल. स्पेअर बॉल्स काय आहेत, कुठल्या डिग्रीचे आहेत, इफ इट इज ऑफ द सेम ब्रँड और इफ यू हॅव एनी अदर ब्रँड, एनी व्हेरियस डिग्रीज. आता कधी कधी असं पण असतं की टीम्सकडे स्पेअर बॉल्स डिफरंट व्हेरियंटचे नसतात, तर तेव्हा आपण काय करणार? राईट, वी कॅन ऑल्सो यूज स्ट्रेट अवे. आपण त्यांच्याकडे नवीन बॉल असेल कुठले असेल, हे मेन आहे की आपल्याला टॉसच्या आधी आपण जेव्हा पहिलं ग्राउंडवर जातो, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट प्री मॅच ड्युटी इज टू चेक द बॉल्स. अँड रिप्लेसमेंट आपल्या प्लेइंग कंडिशन मध्ये म्हटलेलं आहे प्रिफरेबली ऑफ द सेम ब्रँड. जर नसेल, उमेश नेक्स्ट. जर नसेल तर एनी अदर अप्रूव्ड ब्रँड. आता अप्रूव्ड ब्रँड हे आपले वरचे 3 जे लेटेस्ट अप्रूव्ड होते ते, आणि जर तेही नसतील तर कुठलाही ब्रँड चालेल. महत्वाचं काय आहे की बॉल नसेल किंवा बॉल नसल्यामुळे गेम थांबला नाही पाहिजे. द मॅच शुड नॉट स्टॉप फॉर वॉन्ट ऑफ बॉल्स. राईट, दिस इज अवर very very important duty before going for toss or before going, you know, for the captains to meet the captains, to check the availability of balls of different variant and take the balls from them. तुम्ही त्यांचा वेगवेगळ्या पायाचा बॉक्स असेल तर ते बॉक्स घ्या आणि ते आपल्या स्कोररकडे आपण ठेवू शकतो. ते स्कोररच्या टेबलावर ठेवा, तिथे nobody is going to object for that. बट सी दॅट व्हॉट एव्हर यू हॅव, आपल्याकडे जे पण काय आहे दोन्ही टीम्सना इन्फॉर्म करा आधी, विच इज व्हेरी व्हेरी क्रुशियल. कारण नंतर असं होतं की अरे सर एमसीए, एखाद्या बॉलवर एमसीए जर लोगो नसेल तर मग एक टीम विल कंप्लेंट की सर आम्हाला आधी सांगितलं आहे एमसीएचा लोगो नव्हता आणि हा बॉल वापरला. पण हेच जर आपण आधी सांगितलं त्यांना की बाबा नाही आता एमसीएचा लोगो, यूज दॅट, देन देर विल बी नो ऑब्जेक्शन. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So just wanted to add on what Rohan has mentioned. प्री मैच ड्यूटीज अभी जो अंपायर को दिखाई कम से कम 45 मिनट्स पहले आपने पहुंचने का है, वो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन है। 45 मिनट इज मिनिमम, डोंट स्टार्ट विद दैट टाइमलाइन। 1 घंटा के आसपास में अगर आप पहले पहुंचते हो तो ये जो एक मैच का बॉल का डिस्कशन है, चेक करना है, मेक श्योर दैट टॉस के पहले दोनों कैप्टन से आप बात करके उनके पास का नए बॉल का स्टॉक, ओल्ड बॉल का स्टॉक चेक कर लो, एग्री कर लो। अगर जैसे रोहन ने कहा कि ओल्ड बॉल का स्टॉक सेम ब्रांड का नहीं है, दूसरे कोई ब्रांड का, दूसरे ब्रांड का भी नहीं है, तो कोई अगर मैच के बीच में बॉल बाहर चला गया और उसका ड्रिबल नहीं हो पाया तो क्या करोगे आप? ये वाला सिचुएशन भी आप दोनों कैप्टन से एग्री कर लो, इंक्लूडिंग कि अगर आपको एक नया बॉल से भी गेम चालू करना पड़ा आप क्या करोगे। एंड दोनों कैप्टन को बता कर रखो कि अगर सिंस आप लोग के पास में ओल्ड बॉल का स्टॉक नहीं है, हम लोग एक जो आपके पास में नया बॉल लेंगे उसको थोड़ा सा ग्राउंड पे रब कर दो, रब करके थोड़ा उसका इनिशियल जो लैकर है, जो शाइन है, थोड़ा निकाल के दे दो। आप कुछ भी करो, फील्डिंग साइड, बैटिंग साइड, दोनों वो बॉल को एक बार चेक करेंगे ही। बट आपने क्या किया है, प्री मैच अलाइनमेंट कर लिया है दोनों कैप्टन से, तो उसके ऊपर ज्यादा वाद विवाद नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दे हैव सीन दैट यू हैव एग्रीड विद बोथ द कैप्टन की ये मैच मैनेजमेंट ऐसे होगा। और ओल्ड बॉल का स्टॉक नहीं है, दैट इज समथिंग यू कैन नॉट बी हेल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल। आप अपने साइड से बेस्ट कोशिश कर रहे हो कि जो भी आपके पास में रिसोर्स अवेलेबल है उससे आप गेम को आगे बढ़ाओ। सो दैट इज समथिंग विच इज लाइक ए गाइडिंग principle with respect to ball. Yeah. Now, what we'll do is we'll also talk about few of the incidents shared by our colleagues. Yeah. And let's see what is the first one. Okay, this is very interesting and I have seen this happening. कि मान लो क्रॉस मैदान पे मैचेस हो रहा है और आपको एक मैच दिया हुआ है क्रॉस मैदान पे, और वहां पे देख रहे हो आपकी सुबह से गेम लेट हो गया है, बरसात हुई है, और उसके बाद में कब चालू करने का ये डिस्कशन चालू ही है। एंड वहां पे एक मैच चालू हो गया है या कहीं पे चालू हो गया है, तो जैसे ही एक गेम चालू होता है ग्राउंड पे, जो जो टीम्स का मैच चालू नहीं हुआ है दे स्टार्ट प्रेशराइजिंग अंपायर्स कि भाई वहां चालू हो गया, आप क्यों चालू नहीं कर रहे हो। yeah? And many times umpires comes under pressure. They start looking at who is the senior most umpire on that ground and whether he has started the game. And अगर उसने गेम चालू कर दिया है, so irrespective of what was my observation on that, so follow the trend set by the senior umpire on his ground. Now, the query is, should observers play any role in such situation? If yes, what and how? कॉली ने एक पॉइंट पूछा था कि भाई वो ऑब्जर्वर की बात को अंपायर ने मानना चाहिए। टोटली एग्री विथ हिम, बट एट द सेम टाइम ऑब्जर्वर का भी ये रोल होता है कि he works with both the umpires as a team. उनको कि वो सिचुएशन ही नहीं आए कि जहां पे ऑब्जर्वर का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अंपायर से अलग हो। ये वाले चीज में अगर मान लो क्रॉस मैदान टाइप का पिच का मैचेस हो रहे हैं, तो एक ऑब्जर्वर के पास में मोर देन वन ग्राउंड होता है। थोड़ा बहुत जितने भी ऑब्जर्वर हैं वो ग्राउंड पे, वो उनके साथ में टच में है कि ओवरऑल एवरीबॉडी इज थिंकिंग कि 11 सवा 11 के पास में हम एक बार वो गेम चालू करने की कोशिश करेंगे अगर फर्दर शावर नहीं आया तो। सो ऑल द अंपायर्स आर मेंटली देन गेटिंग इन दैट मोड वेयर दे आर रेडी टू स्टार्ट द गेम समवेयर बिटवीन एक 15-20 मिनट के टाइम गैप के आसपास में। सो ये एक सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि जहां पे बोथ अंपायर्स and observer as such, so I mean they are all the time expected to work as a team, but here the role of observer is very key to make sure that overall the umpires are not put under stress and they get required guidance from match observer. Make sure that everybody is happy, game starts on time, and there's no team or no ground which is like, no, I mean lagging behind by hours. कि ऐसा कभी नहीं हो कि आई एम क्रॉस मैदान बाकी सब गेम बाद में 1-1.5 घंटे के बाद भी चालू नहीं हो पा रहा है. सिचुएशन ऐसी स्टिल हो सकती है बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी पिच इज डिफरेंट देन अदर. सो वो पिच का कंडीशन देख के आपको करना है, लेकिन observers can be a good guide to you on making your final call. Rohan, you want to add something here?
Yes, Umesh. Yes, it is very important for us umpires to take the observer in confidence. जे काय तुम्हाला वाटतं ते तुम्ही त्यांना सांगा. चालू करू शकताय, चालू नाही करू शकता. Normally, the role of observer will come when you are not starting the game, right? He will try to ते पण तुम्हाला त्यांचे इनपुट्स देतील. बट सी दॅट दुसरीकडे मॅच चालू झाली ह्याचा अर्थ तुम्ही चालू करायची किंवा तुमच्या तिकडे थांबली आणि म्हणून तुम्ही थांबवायची, दॅट इज नॉट अ करेक्ट वे ऑफ गोइंग अबाउट इट. फॉर अस अंपायर्स वी आर पोस्टेड फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ग्राउंड आणि दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पिच अँड वी हॅव टू असेस दॅट विदाउट लुकिंग ॲट एनीबडी. त्या पिच बद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, त्या पिच बद्दल तुमचं काय मत आहे हे तुम्ही ऑब्झर्वरला सांगा. राईट, प्लीज. हे एक मोठा एक इश्यू आहे आपल्याकडे अजूनही की आपण समोर तिकडे सिनियर अंपायर आहे, मग तिथे मॅच चालू झाली, चला इथे पण चालू झाली पाहिजे, आणि मग प्लेयर्स पण मग असेच रिॲक्ट करतात की दे स्टार्ट पुटिंग प्रेशर ऑन अस. दिस इज नॉट अ गायडिंग प्रिन्सिपल फॉर अ मॅच टू स्टार्ट if it is starting well on some other ground. Okay.
Thanks Ron. Okay, change of pitch.
Change of
Ron,
pitch.
you want to, yeah, Ron, go ahead.
That interesting point. I think आपण जे पिक्चर्स बघताना काय निखिल आणि अक्षयनी म्हटलेलं की पिच प्रिपेअर नाहीये. So I would also like to ask them to come into this discussion. Now, situation अशी आहे की आपल्याकडे प्लॉट वर आपल्या ऑल्टरनेट पिच प्रिपेअर केलेला नाहीये. So what exactly we mean by preparing a pitch for a Kanga League match? Yes, Akshay, Nikhil, can you give your inputs?
Akshay, Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
नाही, सेकंड मगाशी आता ते सेकंड पिच जे मी बघितलं ते मी अंडर प्रिपेअर्ड जरी म्हटलं तरी आय विल स्टार्ट द गेम, कॉज मला असं वाटतं की त्या पिचवर म्हणजे पिच जनरली बघताना आय विल फर्स्ट लुक ऍट की कोणाला मतलब किती डेंजरस नाहीये ना ते, की कोणाला काही होऊ शकत नाही ना त्या पिचवर. कन्सिडरिंग इट इज अ कांगा लीग पिच, नॉट अ नॉर्मल एनी टुर्नामेंटचं नाही, कांगा लीगचं पिच जे प्लेएबल आहे पण डेंजरस नाहीये, लाईक कोणाला इंजुरी नाही होणार ऍज अ बॅट्समन और अ बॉलर और एनीवन. सो आय फर्स्ट लुक एट दॅट. आणि ते जो सेकंड पिचचा जो इमेज होती ती जरी अंडर प्रिपेअर्ड असली तरी डेंजरस नव्हती, लाईक फोर्थ वन विच वॉज.
Okay. The point being here की आता इन्सिडेंट असा होता की obviously the pitch was not, the alternate pitch was not prepared, and the umpires at that time felt the pitch which was prepared is not playable, but there was a chance of preparing the alternate pitch on the same plot, दुसरं pitch prepare करून मॅच चालू करू शकतो. पण त्या वेळेला असं झालं की त्या ग्राउंड आपला क्लब ओनर किंवा ते जे होते तिथे ग्राउंड इन्चार्ज त्यांनी सांगितलं की पिच प्रिपेअर्ड नाहीये आणि एवढ्या शॉर्ट टाइम मध्ये प्रिपेअर होऊ शकत नाही. नाव इन दॅट केस, अँड दिस इज ऑब्वियसली ऑल दिस बिफोर टॉस, नॉट आफ्टर टॉस, दिस इज ऑल बिफोर टॉस. नाव ह्या कंडिशन मध्ये त्यावेळेला पिच प्रिपेअर करणं किंवा पिच प्रिपेरेशन काय आहे, ऑब्वियसली तुम्ही त्यावेळेला आपण तिथे फक्त ग्रास कटिंग करून घेऊ शकतो, तुम्ही मार्किंग करून घेऊ शकतात आणि टू सम एक्सटेंट वी कॅन रोल द पिच फॉर सम टाइम अँड गेट दॅट पिच प्रिपेअर्ड. कांगा लीग साठी, एस्पेशली कांगा लीग साठी, लेट अस अंडरस्टँड की पिच आधीपासनं प्रिपेअर किंवा रोल करणं, येस त्या प्लेइंग ह्याची गरज आहे, पण त्यावेळेसाठी वेन यू आर ट्राईंग टू चेंज द पिच, वी डोंट नीड टू गो इन टू दॅट प्रिव्हियस प्रिपरेशन, आधी किती दिवस रोलिंग झालंय किंवा त्याला काय अजून केलंय की. सो फॉर दॅट पिच आपण त्यांना सांगू शकतो की प्लीज स्टार्ट प्रिपेअरिंग द पिच. हे पिच जे आहे ते प्रॉपर नाही आहे, आपण त्यांना सांगू शकतो की दुसरं पिच तुम्ही तयार करायला चालू करा. देन वी बाय दॅट टाइम इफ द पिच विच इज प्रिपेअर्ड इट गेट्स बेटर, देन वी कॅन टेक अ कॉल. बट असं नाही झालं पाहिजे की तिथे ऑल्टरनेट पिच नाहीये. ओके, अँड अगेन दिस कम्स ॲज अवर प्री मॅच ड्युटी. आपण जेव्हा सकाळी आपलं ग्राउंड, आपलं पिच बघायला जातो, what we can do, we have to also see if the other pitch is been prepared or not.
Yeah.
Yes, Umesh, want to add?
Yeah, clear. No. So I think you covered everything well. We'll go to the next question or next query.
Umesh, can I
Yeah,
just
yeah. Yes, Anil, please go ahead.
yeah, just before I just second this thing.
Okay.
And Ganesh, because of his some prior appointment, may not able to join relog in for the third. We all will relog in for the third for to complete this, but Ganesh may not be able to relog in for the. So I think I'll just ask Ganesh to speak before we close this second session, so he can. Ganesh, can you come in?
Thanks, Anil. Of certain commitments makes me not to be there for the next relogin. So a few points that I need to just add on. Bakul Undia. First thing is, I am not great. Okay, get that off your mind. I'm just one of you with a little more gray hair than you have. That's it. So when I mean standing on the pitch to inspect whether there is a mark coming, it should be on a non-crucial area of the pitch. And that's more important. Be careful of that aspect. You got to be sure that you're standing in a non-crucial area. What is non-crucial area? We can discuss it. Rohan and Umesh are good enough to discuss that as it happens. Second is artificial drying. 30 minutes before, you need to understand what is artificial drying. That which is not natural is artificial. You don't know what tomorrow guys will get to do artificial drying. It could be an industrial blower. It could be an industrial dryer. We don't know. We cannot say you cannot use this instrument or that instrument 30 minutes before start. So keep that in mind. World is changing. Even when sponge was used the first time to dry a pitch, it was a new thing. And I'm sure those umpires who use the sponge must have thought, am I doing right or am I doing wrong? But today it is an accepted norm. So in the same manner, it is important for us to be ready with to accept technology, to do many things that probably we could be front runners as far as these are concerned. So in artificial drying, you can take up to 30 minutes. Don't interfere with what the club authorities are doing or the ground authorities are doing. Just leave it to them. It is subsequent to that you can go with the trusted methods which you feel confident with. Right? I don't know. Again and again, we keep debating observer, umpire, scorer as separate entities and not a group. I think मला तरी वाटतं असं की जेवढ्यात लवकर आपण एक टीम म्हणून खेळायला सुरुवात करणार, स्कोरर, अंपायर, तिथपर्यंत आपण प्रोग्रेस करणार नाही. वी विल नॉट प्रोग्रेस. वी विल बी डिगिंग अवर ओन ग्रेव्स. आपण स्वतःचा क्रियाक्रम करायचा तयारी करत असेल. आज हा मी पंचचा लेक्चरचा सूत्रधार म्हणा किंवा ऑर्गनायझर म्हणा किंवा मेन फोर्स म्हणा, तो सुबोध वैद्य आहे. एवढं सपोर्ट केलाय, एवढं इनोव्हेटिव्ह करत राहतो तो की यू कॅन नॉट ट्रीट हिम दॅट ही इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ अस. तो आपला एक अंग आहे, एक विभाग आहे. तसंच आहे ऑब्झर्वर, स्कोरर आणि अंपायर. आणि ऑब्झर्वर कोण आहेत? सुपर प्लेयर्स, great players, I would say, on the Mumbai circuit, very experienced, or very senior umpires who have seen this game in Mumbai in and out, or people who have gone in the higher rank of umpire. असा कोणी ऑब्झर्वर नाही ज्यांचे संबंध मुंबई क्रिकेट किंवा ग्राउंड कंडिशन बरोबर नाही आहे. असं आहेच नाही, सर्व आहे, एव्हरीबडी. म्हणून MCA डिसाइडेड की अंपायरला का त्रास द्यायचा पिचचा. फायनल असेसमेंट ऑफ द पिच इज ऑब्झर्वर्स कॉल, अँड ऑब्झर्वर्स कॉल कम्स ओनली वेन यू एग्री. यू मीन्स ॲज अंपायर वी एग्री नॉट टू स्टार्ट द गेम. तुम्ही जेव्हा गेम चालू करणार असेल तेव्हा ऑब्झर्वर काही बोलणार नाही, चालू करा. तर तुमचे डिसिजन आहे ते घेणार. अँड वेन यू से यू कॅनॉट स्टार्ट, and when the observer says you start the game, blindly go and start the game. Blindly follow the rule. There is no two shortcuts about it. So somebody is taking the responsibility to start the game. I don't know if Arun Vatsa is there today. Is Vatsa there? Arun Vatsa hai ka?
Very much there, sir.
I distinctly remember a Kanga League match at Wali where the umpires were unwilling to start the game, unwilling, arguing, telling the players it is not possible. When Vatsa told them, go and start the game. This is a Kanga League match which is required to be played on such pitches only. He stood with his decision. He stood with his conviction. But sir, let me tell you, one of the umpires called me.
Okay, sir.
And told me the observer is saying this. I said, I
Okay.
don't care. I don't care. I am far away from the ground. Do what the observer says. Just
Thank you
do
so
what
much, sir. Thanks for backing.
No, not thank you. But that was the rule. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, 120 minutes of the game took place after that.
Correct,
That
sir.
same pitch, right? About 120 minutes. I'm not very sure of the time, but I'm going by memory.
Absolutely right, sir.
So if that match could be played, give respect to the experience of those observers. Give respect. I may have passed an exam studying the laws. I may have umpired 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years. But these are people who have done 30 years of playing time in India, in Mumbai. They know every bit of every ground. Let there be a mutual respect. Let us act as a team. Let us develop that habit to act as a team. नेहमी मी नाही बोललो आणि कोणी हो बोललो की आपल्याला वाईट वाटतं. पण अंपायरिंग मध्ये जेव्हा आलंय आपण आता, तर आपण काहीतरी सिस्टम आणलं पाहिजे आपल्याला. इफ इट इज observer, its role, it is observer's role. Okay. Now one more point. Umesh Dubey said, when you look at the ground in a Maidan, somebody will put pressure on you, match will start. And Rohan rightly said, it is depending on pitch to pitch. Rightly said. I've told Rohan of an incident. First match of the Kangali at Sundar ground, Narel Pudlota. Because baking of the coconut starter tournament is a normal procedure. बाकीच्या 6 ग्राउंड मध्ये 11:30 वाजतापर्यंत मॅच सर्व चालू झाले. But Sundar, the game could not be played. Maybe it was the level of the pitches, the level of the water, or maybe extra coconut water deposited on the pitch. I don't know. But I was doing a game at Oval, mind you, at a cross at Karnataka, when this game at Sundar had to be called. As he rightly said, Rohan rightly said, we are umpires, observer, scorer. For that game at that pitch, we have nothing what happens elsewhere. एक टीमला पॉइंट भेटणार, तिथे खेळतात, ते शिवाजी पार्कला खेळतायत, आम्हाला भेटणार नाही, आम्ही इथे खेळतोय, तुम्ही असं कसं करताय, हे सर्व येणार. But you have to be deaf. You have to go by logics, you have to go by the rules, and you have to go by the experience of the experienced people around you. That's all from my side. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Or this is second. Let me go to presentation mode. Yeah. Okay. One second, guys. Give me a second, please. What happened? Your screen sharing. Stop share. Give me a second, please. I'm just having some issues.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Current slide. Back. Is my screen visible now?
No.
Oh, okay. Not.
Umesh, should I share the screen?
Yeah, do that. Do that. I'm having some issues here.
Okay.
Umesh, you have also moved to Future City.
Okay, is the screen visible?
Yeah, Rohan.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
काय चाललंय बाबा माझ्याकडे?
Yes.
It has started. Yeah.
It's fine. Yeah. Umesh?
Yeah, this is fine. You can continue.
Yeah, Rohan, you can start.
Yeah, yeah.
Go to the next
You can
question.
go to the next. Yeah. Okay. This was an incident shared by one of our observers. Umesh, you want to take it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the game has started, and after 3-4 overs were bowled, the batsmen start complaining about color of ball, which has become darker. This could be because of wet ball or change in weather. Rohan, stay on presentation mode. Yeah,
Yes.
thank you. Match stops. The batting team captains enters some ground for argument. Umpires not able to handle. Observer steps in. These are the actual match incident which happened. Checks the ball for MC Logan and asks the game to be continued. No further argument. Now I just want to add a few things over here for everybody to understand that the specification ball, there's a specification about weight, there's a specification about circumference of the ball, but there's no specification about shade card. There's no shade card by which you can judge the ball. So what is darker to you may be lighter to somebody else. So I do understand that could be some change in the color of ball, maybe because it got soaked in water at on because of wet condition, or there's a change of whether when the game started it was sunny, and after one after some time it became dark and clouds were there, and so those are relative things, and Kanga League is meant to manage these conditions. So do not entertain any such request from anyone. If you as an umpire feel that conditions are so bad that there's an possibility of injury, both the umpires can take make the discussion, have a chat with observer, and may decide in extreme condition to stop the game for some being. But merely because the shade of ball has become darker, you cannot make any decision to change the ball or stop the game. Don't intend any such request coming from either side, batting, fielding side. Okay, so anything you want to add, Rohan, before we go to next? Okay, so let's go back to the next one, Rohan. Hello. Yeah.
And already game is session has lost 8 wickets, and there's a 420 for.
I'm not able to
Which is
hear
completely
Umesh's
wet.
voice. Umesh,
Yeah.
Rohan.
Rohan, your voice is not very clear.
Am I audible?
Come
I think
closer
there
to
is an
mic.
issue with my connection. Just a minute.
Voice was cracking.
Now it's so audible?
Yeah. It's audible. It's audible.
Okay. आता असं झालं की पिच इज कम्प्लिटली वेट आणि पहिल्याच इन्स्पेक्शन मध्ये बोथ द अंपायर्स रिअलाइज की आता पुढे काय मॅच सुरू होऊ शकत नाही. राईट, ऑब्वियसली द फील्डिंग साइड वॉन्ट्स द गेम टू स्टार्ट, कारण they have a chance to win the first, take a first innings lead. But what the umpires, I would really appreciate, they have done very nicely that they have still, even though they know कि match सुरू होऊ शकत नाही, they have taken another inspection. So this is a very good learning for all of us की even कधी कधी आपल्याला माहित असतं की पिच आपलं मॅच पिच ची कंडिशन काय आहे आणि मॅच सुरू होऊ शकते की नाही, अशा वेळेला तरी पण we have to go and take another inspection for sometimes we have to show to others की आपण yes we are there interested for to carry the game ahead. स्ट्रेट अवे आपण तिथे पिचवर जाऊन कॉल ऑफ करून येणं या बट एकदम ऑब्वियस असेल तर वेगळी गोष्ट आहे, पण अदरवाइज दिस इज अ व्हेरी गुड एक्झाम्पल दॅट the umpires have done that. They still went for another inspection after 20 odd minutes and then they called off play. Now obviously the fielding team captain was unhappy here again. त्याचा परत जसं आपण म्हटलं की आपलं ग्राउंड आपलं असतं, सेम फॉर अस मॅच सिच्युएशन इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू व्हॉट डिसिजन वी टेक. फॉर अस whatever facts are available, we have to go accordingly and we have nothing to do with the match situation. This is a very important point and it is a very good way the umpires have handled this. Umesh, you want to add anything?
Yeah. So I think this one example gives very clear picture. So there will be situation where you are in good shape or both the umpires agree that the condition is bad. So whenever you do the observation at the start of the game, you also know that okay, I'm going to do an inspection after half an hour or next half an hour or so. Then you still have the luxury of time in your bank. So typically you still have say 4-5 hours before the to complete the entire session. But when it showers at around say 4:20, the you don't have the luxury of time yet. Looking at the overall situation, and a practical approach was shown by umpires when they wanted to have one more inspection and then they made the call. So this, I would say, is a very, very good way of managing the situation. As Rohan mentioned, on times we also have to do few things just to make sure that the both the team members they accept. So your decision is not challenged by anyone. So in such cases, make sure that you have one more inspection, although you would be fairly comfortable to call off at that point of time. So that is one. And second, when such things happen, don't enter into an argument with either fielding side or batting side. The situation for you still remains same, as Rohan very rightly mentioned. Situation of match should not have any linkage to the decision that you are making. It is very important for everyone to understand that your decision process cannot be influenced by what is a situation. Sometime I'm fielding side will come, sir एकच wicket आहे, फक्त 2 मिनिटाचा गेम, 5 मिनिटाचा गेम पाहिजे. Don't get swayed by such comments, such of feedback coming. You stick to your decision. Whatever decision you have made, it is irrespective of the situation of the match. Yes, Rohan.
Yeah.
Do we have any more incident to share?
I think there's one more incident, and I would like to call Raviraj, if he's there.
Is he on the call?
Yes, sir. Yes, Rohan, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
Raviraj.
Ravi.
Yeah, am I audible?
And this is,
You're audible. You're audible.
yes, Raviraj.
Yes.
This is one of a very interesting, I think this, but only once in the history of the Kanga League. But I would like Raviraj and Ravi, who was your colleague? I think
Raju, sir.
Raju sir is also here.
Raju Vishwasrao, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So both of you all can share, then it will be
Yeah, please
very
go
interesting.
ahead, Ravi. Please go ahead.
Yes. Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. And thank you, Rohan sir and Umesh sir and Punch team for giving this opportunity. So it was a match between Palghar Dhanu Cricket Club and Muscati Cricket Club played at CCI. I was partnering, as I said, Raju Vishwasrao sir, and the match observer present there was Bomi Jamula sir. And Muscati CC was batting first, and they scored around 100 odd runs, which Palghar Dhanu later started chasing. And the match came in the last over, few minutes at the end of day's play, and the team requiring around 5 to 6 runs, and the climax was 1 ball 1 run required. The scores were equal, and it was 1 run 1 ball requiring Palghar Dhanu to win this match. And Simab Khan was bowling. I was at the bowler's end, and Raju sir was at the striker's end. And Simab bowled the ball. The batsman, he just played at the ball straight, very close to Simab. He fielded the ball and he threw at the bowler's end to put the wicket down. And the moment he threw the ball got hit. The batsman got hit by the ball, and the ball ricocheted to the mid-off fielder. And as soon as the ball was stuck, the ball touched the batsman, he started appealing, "Sir, out, out," obstructing the field out. And I just waited for a moment for the ball to get dead. I took the position. I called dead ball. I took the position, and I just started walking towards Raju sir for a quick consultation. As per my observation, what I have seen, I saw the batsman deliberately, intentionally changing his path, trying to get in line of the wickets at the bowler's end. This was my observation, and which I was very sure of. Still, to get another perspective, what Raju sir might have seen, I just walked down. I just had his consultation, and his views are also similar to what I had seen. Because after completing his part of observation at his end, because it was a quick single, So definitely he was also focusing at his end, but definitely the moment the ball was thrown at my end, I mean at the bowler's end, so he also had his view there, glued at my end. So he had his perception, and he had the similar thoughts what I had. Even he was in the opinion that the bowler unintentionally, I mean deliberately, he changed his path. And the moment we came to a consensus, I gave him out. The batsman was given out obstructing the field. But the moment I gave him out, there was a huge, I mean, the batsmen started complaining. There was huge argument, and they were all over. The Palghar Dhanu team, actually we were given, I mean, as the home team was not paying at CCI, so the stand, the west side stand, West End stand was given us for, I mean, as in dressing room. We always placed there. And they all were on the field of play. One of the players from Palghar Dhanu, he threw a bat which just landed few spaces away from us, and they all were on the field of play. We requested them to get off the pitch, I mean get off the field of play rather, and we just went to the stands near the scorer where Bomi sir was sitting, and the captain and I mean the entire team, I mean we were surrounded by the entire team at the scorer's desk, and they were just screaming, shouting, and speaking all rubbish things about what has happened. And so Bomi Jamula sir said, stop, please, to ask your players to move away. We are not here to listen all these things, and ask your players to move away. So he handled his play. He asked everyone to move away, and he started saying, I mean, what happened? What is this? And so Bomi Jamula sir said, ask us to have a seat and relax, and then just narrate the entire incident, what happened, because these people were around 100 meters away from the pitch, away from the action. So we started, I mean, I started narrating that this was the incident and this thing has happened, which I saw, and on the basis of what I have seen, I have given my decision. And at that moment of point, Bomi Jamula sir said, okay, this is clear now. Anything further you want to say? I mean, he was talking this to the captain. Anything further you want to say, you can just pen it down on a paper and post it to the MCA. After this, we are not here to give you any justification, any clarification. Whatever has been happened has been told to you, and anything ahead, you have to write it down to the MCA. And definitely we are gonna report the entire incidents, the behavior of your players to the MCA, and whatever you want to speak ahead, you can just come to MCA and you can have you can protest, or you can, file your complaint, whatever you have to do, you can do and go ahead. And then we declared, the scorer was just waiting for us to know the mode of dismissal, and we gave it out, and the result was declared. Even though teams were not happy, then we were waiting there till 6:30. If I'm not wrong, Raju sir will throw some light on it. And we completed all the report writing, which also Bomi Jamula sir helped us to draft. And further, the next day morning, it was an headlines in few of the newspapers.
Okay.
Thank you, Ravi. Yes,
Thank you,
Umesh.
sir. Raju, you want to add anything before we kind of close on this?
रवीने सांगितलेला जो इन्सिडन्स आहे तो एक्झॅक्टली ही कोटेड दॅट, आणि तसं काय असं वेगळं आमच्या तर्फे काही केलं गेलं नाही, कारण बिकॉज दॅट बॅट्समन चेंज हिज डायरेक्शन टू हाईड फ्रॉम द थ्रो, सो ही वॉज इन दॅट परफेक्ट पोझिशन टू सी दॅट ही इज कमिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ द थ्रो. आणि जमुला सर असताना आम्ही त्यांच्याशी सगळं डिस्कस करून एव्हरीथिंग वॉज प्रॉपरली नोटेड, सगळं रिपोर्टिंग करून इट वॉज गिवन टू बोर्ड ऑफ अंपायर्स MCA. आणि मग त्यावेळेला त्यांचं इंटरोगेशन पण झालं, त्याच्यामध्ये जमुला सर होते, रवी होता स्वतः, आणि त्यावेळेला डिसिजन दिलं गेलं. पण त्यामुळे आम्हाला एवढे लोकांचे कॉल्स आले की अननेसेसरी, म्हणजे आम्ही काहीतरी चुकीचं केलंय असं त्यांच्या थ्रू प्रिडिक्ट केलं गेलं. पण इट वॉज इन दॅट इन्सिडन्स, जर दुसरा कोणी असता तर त्याचा पण व्ह्यू सेम असता जो आमचा दोघांचा होता. दॅट्स ऑल.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Raju sir. Okay. So guys, with this, I think we come to an end of the session that we wanted to have. Now, we still have some time if there are some questions. So what we have done is we have taken question while the discussion was on, but we both are available if there are some questions, queries which we could not take earlier. So anyone wants to have a query resolved, this is the time.
हॅलो सर, गुरु कदम.
बोला गुरु कदम.
हा सर, मगाशी तुम्ही जो सांगितलं की बॉलचा कलर वगैरे चेंज झाला, मॅच होल्ड झाली वगैरे, हा जो इन्सिडेंट सांगितल्यानंतर ऑब्झर्वर आला आणि ती मॅच स्टार्ट करायला सांगितली. हा एक इन्सिडेंट पकडली. आणि दुसरा कधी कधी असं होतं की दोन्ही टीम सुद्धा भांडायला सुरुवात करतात आणि टाइम जो वेस्ट होतो, हा टाइम जो वेस्ट होतो तो पुढे प्ले आपल्या दिवसाच्या पुढच्या त्याच्यावर वाढवायचा की काय करायचं, की इंटरप्शन दाखवायचा आहे तो, अशा वेळी काय करायचं?
Okay. Ron, you want to take or you want me to take?
Go ahead.
Okay. So there is no provision. गुरु आपल्या कांगा लीगचा मॅचेस मध्ये ना कुठल्याही प्रोव्हिजन नाही आहे गेम एक्सटेंड करायला. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली this is time lost forever. We cannot make it. And that's why, आपण start पासून बोलतोय ना की all make sure that whatever actions we as an umpire and observer do as a PCT, and now I will also include scorers basically, so they also have a huge role to play, because so make sure that it goes into a smooth zone. आपण जेव्हा स्टार्ट करतो कम्युनिकेशन or आपल्या pitch observation, make sure that all the time two umpires and observer are on same page. Moment you start following this from beginning, सकाळपासून तुम्ही जेव्हा हे follow करता, situation will never come where both the sides starts arguing. Imagine, players are not here, but I don't want to put them in bad light saying that they come only to fight. No, they also come to play the cricket. Yeah. So we are there because they play the cricket. So at all point of time, our job is to make sure that we follow all the guideline. We use communication channel which is very clear, very simple, and without any bias. ही टीम खेळते, ती टीम खेळते, हा असा आहे, ता तसा आहे. कुठल्याही तुमचा मागचा मॅचचा बँक बॅलन्स घेऊन येऊ नका. एक्सपिरियन्स जे असेल पहिल्याचा ते त्याला घरात ठेवा आणि नवीन मॅचला घरात ग्राउंड वर या. व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फॉलो गुरु, बट आपल्याला हे करावं लागणार, कारण till the time we know as an umpire, we always have some आवडता player किंवा नावडता player, and कुठल्याही मॅचला जातो, follow the guidelines that we have shared. Very simple communication, engaging with observer all the time, and most likely chances are that you'll not come across such incident on field of play. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Anything else from anyone?
I think Niranjan Nene has put a query, I think, in the chat box.
We cannot see him, Anil, so you have to guide us.
Yeah. No, he has put it in the chat box. Can anyone please guide regarding Getty's matches as an umpire? Any form to be filled? If yes, when and where? Thank you. Niranjan, you are a registered MCA umpire, right? Are you there, Niranjan?
Hello, sir. Yeah, I have cleared the umpiring exam, but I don't know whether it is registered or not. But I haven't done any match as if for now, because I just passed before the starting of this lockdown.
Then I think once the season start, you can connect to MCA. Okay, just to find about how the status is, and definitely if you have cleared the exam and everything, you would have been included in the MCA umpires panel.
Okay.
So you would receive, any communication which MCA officially will send, as regards. See, now when season will start, MCA would definitely start sending, message regarding availability and all that aspects. So in process, if you don't receive any message, then you can just post in because normally you will come to know through fellow umpires, whether anybody has received the message. So if you don't receive, then you just put the post and you can check with MCA regarding the status.
Salil, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else, boys and girls?
There's no question from any of the girls. Varsha, you want to have any query?
No, sir.
So you're very clear. Excellent. Okay. So what we'll do is, guys, thank you so much for joining. We propose is that in next session, we will be covering the match management, which is with link to because of bad weather. And we'll also try and cover the overrate penalty, So if you have any query, any incident to share, please share one-to-one with either Rohan or me, or even you can put it on the group. It's absolutely fine. We can pick it up from there. And just like in this session, it will be a session where we will be, having these chats in between the call. And thank you so much. Before we close, any point of view from Rajesh is there, Anil, before we close? Anything to improve the quality of communication or the presentation or the structure?
No, I think thanks, Rohan, Umesh, both of you have done an excellent job. And it was really nicely. What I feel good was, pictures speak the truth. So you're putting up pictures to, explain your point was very good. And definitely it was really a wonderful this thing. Rajesh, I think I would like Rajesh to, conclude on this and put. Rajesh, over to you.
Good afternoon, guys and girls. This was extremely essential because what we did last time, that is on mentoring and questioning, is something that is important, but is important in general. This is what we are specifically looking at, where the things which are actually going to happen in the game. See, the things like fitness of the ground, pitch, or the ball, changing of the ball, or whether the balls are available or not. These are the things which give trouble to the umpires. Or the the penalty, the overhead penalty which are going to take in the future. See, that was an idea behind it, that the things which are actually going to trouble you, or the naughty point that we call it, that we are going to take. And in that way, I think both of you have done excellently well. I mean, the starting of that, the pitch, the color of the pitch. I mean, when you as an old umpire go on the pitch, is the color and the feel of the pitch where you decide the fitness of the pitch. Then comes the artificial drying, and anything as Umesh and Rohan has said, anything which is not natural, which is where the sun or the wind or the breeze doesn't come into play, is unnatural. So that was a good point. Whatever you do on the field, and Jay to me, Karal actually groundwork, we do it very confidently because there will be a times where it will be a 50-50 decision. Kanga League in particular, you won't get a clear-cut idea whether this is right or wrong. So the communication part comes into play. Whatever you tell the umpires, tell this player that we feel this. We as a group feel this, and tell that confidently. Because I said there will always be a time where it will be iffy, 50-50. If you do it confidently, players will accept it. Reaching the ground early is also a very essential thing, particularly in Kanga League, because see, preparation of the pitch and drying of the pitch are two different issues. When you think of drying of the pitch, no artificial drying, but when you think of preparation, the rolling is allowed. So rolling for the preparation is allowed. Remember, rolling for the drying of the pitch is not allowed. So when you think of preparing the pitch, definitely rollers comes into play. Again, Kanga League makes a very important part in players, not only players, but umpires' career. See, whatever we are there, particularly those who are impact on our future, it makes you match fit. As players always they say ki match fitness is important. Not only BCCI umpires, even the season which is going to follow, if you start with Kanga League, it helps you in the future game. So please make sure that you get as many opportunities as you can for doing the games. Look forward to do the Kanga League games. It will teach you a lot. And keep coming up with questions, because whatever the discussion that we have discussed, whatever discussion has taken place, if you come up with a question that have actually happened in your game, that helps you to teach more in everybody. So come up with the questions. Par Sundar Kela, excellently done, both of you. And I'm sure this will help, this will go a long way for you to come out with a better solution when you come into Kangali. Well done, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Have a
One
nice
more
day.
thing, Anil.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah,
again.
one more thing I just want to add, whatever we have discussed here is not a ruling or something officially told by either Umesh or Rohan or whatever, whoever it is. There is going to be a formal meeting which MCA is going to have, and the ruling which comes there, you can take it as a formal or rather official ruling. This is just the thing which we have discussed among ourselves. This is the family that we have discussed, and we are the only idea is to come out with the points that will help you to do a better game.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Thanks, Rajesh, and for summing it up. Thanks, Anil. I think big thanks to all the participants, because I think without your participation, the session will not go well. Or it all depends on how much you want to participate. The more you participate, the more value you will get for yourself. So looking forward to have your continued participation for next session as well. Between me and Rohan, will do everything at our end to make sure that we make the session interesting for you. It was very nice to see that everybody kind of volunteering to answer and participate. So guys, continue doing that, because there's nothing right and wrong in this session. It is absolutely fine even if you make a big mistake in this. This will be a learning for everybody. So don't hesitate, continue participation, and have a very nice day. And next week, hoping to catch up you with on next Sunday. All the best. Be safe. Stay indoors. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, guys.